Hello, everybody. This is Chad Mix with the marketing department. Thought I'd do a quick video here to demonstrate how we use or how we generate a device code, why a device code is needed, and then how to use the device code on a new device. So let's just talk for a second about why a device code is needed. Obviously, anyone can download the Nervado TV app, right? It's not restricted to anyone. If you have an iPhone or a Google, a Google Android phone, the Google Play Store, you can go and download Nervado TV. Likewise, anybody can go to Walmart and buy any streaming device they want and plug it into their TV and go ahead and download Nervado TV. So all of that is available to anyone without restriction. What is restricted is the actual playing of a television channel. When a customer wants to use a device and download the Nervado television app, they must connect it to their subscription somehow. And the way that happens is through the device code, which makes the connection between that device and that app on the device and the subscription a customer is purchasing from Nervado, which tells the app what channels this customer subscribes to, which channels should be playing, and then of course provisions them accordingly so that they can watch the TV channels that they pay for. So just think about the device code as a way to connect what the customer is paying for so that they can then watch the appropriate channels that their subscription provides. So anybody or on any TV, you need to have a device, you need to download the Nervado television app, and then you need to connect your subscription with a device code. So hopefully that makes a little bit of sense as to why we need a device code. And now let me demonstrate to you how you actually do it. So, oops, I'm going to grab my phone. Okay, so bear with me. I'm walking over to my television and I'm going to do my best to try to demonstrate this. Now, I use Roku devices here at my house. And so you can see that I've got Nervado TV actually up. You can see the guide there. Here's my Roku remote. And I'm going to use the back button, which is this arrow button here. I'm going to use the back button to pull up the top menu. You can see the top menu just came up. And then I'm going to use the arrow buttons to move over to account. And once I get to account and I push account, you can see on the very bottom over here, it says add device. So I'm just going to use the down arrow button to get over to add a device. I'm going to push the middle OK button, and there we have it. It generates the passphrase and login codes that are necessary to add a new device. Okay, so I'm just going to grab my phone here. I'm going to take a picture of that so that I have the login and passphrase. And then I'm going to use that on another TV to add a new device. So bear with me as I walk around my house here and move into my daughter's room, which I'm sure is a mess. So here we are in my daughter's room, and I have Roku up here. So when I go to the main menu of Roku, you can see that I have Nervado television. When I go to click into Nervado television, it should ask me for a passphrase. So it's saying, hey, enter the login information. So I'm going to use that picture that I took where I generated a new login code and passphrase, and I'm going to enter that. So here my login is 4, 0, 8, 7, 3, 2. I'm going to hit OK. And then my passphrase is 690-52760. 690 5, 2, 7, 6, 0. Okay, and once I enter that, it's going to connect my subscription to this new device on the secondary TV so that I'm able to watch all the channels that I subscribe to and pay for on this TV. So it just does take a second to load it up because it's live TV and it's got to go make all those connections. But you can see here, oh, it loaded up my Nervado subscription. And so now you can see I have all my channels in this guide. And, you know, if I wanted to watch this particular channel, I just push OK, push watch, and there we are. I have it. So I'm going to power down the TV and just finish up by saying that I demonstrated the Roku here. It can be done very similarly with Apple or Amazon Fire TV. It's a very simple process. It's a meaningful one, though, because we have to have a streaming device on each TV. We have to download the Nervado app on each TV. And then we've got to connect the subscription with the device code on each app so that we can get the appropriate channels that we're paying for. Hopefully that helps make sense. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to marketing and we'd be happy to help you. Have a great day.